Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear contents in Google Sheets mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my file in my Google Sheets application. And for example, I'm going to clear the contents in this table. First thing first, we need to select the table like this, and we're going to tap and hold on the table, and there will be some options for us. And since we want to clear the content, we can click on clear. Okay, and now as you can see that the content has been cleared from this table, and I'm going to practice it one more time. I'm going to clear the content of this table. We can select the table and then tap and hold on it and then click on clear. Okay, now it's done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to clear contents in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!